I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee caramel easy guide. Melt 1 cup sugar with 2 tablespoon water in a heavy pan and cook to an amber color, avoiding stirring to prevent crystals. Remove from heat and carefully add 1/2 cup cream in a slow stream, then stir in 4 tablespoon butter until glossy. Pour into a lined tray, cool slightly, and enjoy breaking into pieces for sharing. Measure ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup cream, and 4 tablespoon butter, and keep a candy thermometer handy. Heat sugar gently to dissolve, then allow it to reach a rich amber before removing from heat. Slowly stream in the cream, then stir in butter until smooth and shiny. Cool briefly before cutting, and store toffee caramel in an airtight container for best texture and flavor. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel and lets us make more recipes. Quick recommendation. The product seen here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, is great for following recipes and notes while you cook. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep tools and work surfaces dry, because even a splash of water can make sugar seize and spoil the batch. If graininess appears, gently reheat with a small amount of water while stirring and monitoring temperature to smooth it out. For flavor, stir in a pinch of sea salt or a little vanilla after removing from heat, or fold in chopped nuts for texture. Share pieces or use as a dessert topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.